Hello. Today I will give you information about Freedom Life Provider Portal login. Freedom Life is a company that provides health insurance services for individuals and families. Thanks to its portal developed for healthcare providers, doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare professionals can easily access patient information, manage insurance claims, and track payment processes. Let's not forget to like for more videos like this. To log into the Freedom Life Provider portal, you must first go to the official website and reach the provider login screen. If you have not registered before, you can create a new account and get your user information. You can check your patient's insurance coverage through the portal, create an authorization request for transactions that require pre-approval, and review payment details. In addition, you can use the tools offered by the portal to track billing and payment processes. Providers can view payments made, check transactions history, and get help from customer support services when necessary. Freedom Life Provider Portal is a system that provides great convenience for healthcare professionals. It saves time by speeding up processes and makes patient management more efficient.